It's not a review channel, but still, I got few things I need to review, so be patient. This is what came today. Let's check it out. What do we have here? Oh boy. Don't fall, please. I have a stupid knife. Let's check out the box first. I saw Indian standards, aerodynamicity, ECR 2.2 approved, dot approved, everything approved. Not the pricing. Yeah, it says Apex Carbon. So it's a carbon fiber, bro. Carbon fiber, sorry, the package is broken here. Carbon fiber, let's see what's inside here. Oops. Oopsies. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber! Carbon fiber. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh crazy boys. XR. XR. Yup, CE 2.05. USA dot blah blah blah. Very codes. What goodies we have here? Come on. Boy. It's a nice looking helmet. What do we have here? Two reflectors, blood group, and a sticker. Nothing much here. Oh boys. A crazy looking helmet we have here. Carbon. Everything is detachable so that you can wash. And how does it look when I wear this? Before I wear this, I need a mask. This is a complete gift, complimentary gift, what I got with the helmet. Woohoo! Now let's put this crazy thing over your head. And bro, it looks sick. It's a sick looking helmet here. XR made a nice helmet, bro. And yeah, I need to peel the sticker. Sticker. I'll do it later. Come on. I'm excited. Hell, I'm excited. Carbon fiber, man. It's a crazy looking helmet they made. A crazy looking helmet. Amazing, bro. Here we go. Let's check this out. Open up. Come on. Sorry, guys. I got only two hands. Open up. Here we go. And a slider. and a slider. Okay. Sun visor. It's a mechanism. Nice mechanism. Small little mechanism. 15-20 grams plus 15 minus 50 grams. Crazy. We have a crazy looking helmet. What next? It's a full-size gloves that I got from Rynox. Let's see the goodies we have here. All leather with carbon fiber touch. See, it says through carbon fiber and Knox security, Knox sliders. Here you go, Knox sliders. Let's check this out. User guide. I guess expensive stuff. They think if you buy pricey items, so they need to show off. So yeah, this is the literature that we never read. They provide you with this literature. What you're going to do with the literature? It's a gloves, man. What else we got? It says Rynox, 3-time Rynox sticker. And congratulations! I have a warranty. I have an accident insurance that can cover up to 50K for 1 year. So nice. I didn't get with the helmet that I got. So this is the helmet. This thing cost 12K, and they didn't give me any sort of accidental insurance. But the gloves that cost 6K, and yeah, you can claim 50K if you go through an accident. So yeah, it's a nice deal, bro. Let's check it out. Come on. Let me arrange the camera for you guys. Oh boy. Yeah, it's leather. And it has a pretty look. A decent look, you can say. Decent look. So yeah, what you can get, the things you can get in India for 6K is this, and this is pure leather. Oh boy, feels as if I punch you, oh, you're going to die. Seriously, you're going to die. Boom, and you're dead, bro. Let's do the same thing. Yeah, I know. Knuckle impact. Impact. Knuckle. Not security. Yeah. I know. Feel, oh boy. The leather feel is amazing. I know it's tight. It's brand new, that's why. So, oh, here we are. Here we go. Boom. Perfect. Oh boy. Now I can do boxing with this. Top notch. Rynox provides you these gloves that with a wrist with carbon fiber protection on your wrists. So yeah, man. It's a nice deal. Under 6K, you're getting a very nice gloves. Let me wear the helmet. Let's check out the helmet, please. Bro. before I wear this helmet, oh yeah, expensive helmet. So we need to wear what this they call this head sleeve. Uh, some I don't know the name. I forgot the name. It has a strange name. So something like what was the name, man? What is this thing called? I'll call this a head sleeve because you're wearing this under your helmet. So bala something related with what is this thing called? Come on. Bala, something related with bala. Let me check it out. No, you cannot wear this and do keyboard stuff. This is not meant for that. Forget it. I don't know what this is called, but yeah, I'm going to wear this. I'm going to show off my new helmet. Oh boy, carbon fiber, man, carbon fiber. Oh, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. So this is how it looks. Now with the helmet. Oh boy. Oh, I'm ready to fight. Literally, I'm ready to fight. Nice. What next? Let's check out the jacket, the gloves, and the helmet all together. Enjoy the time lapse, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys are liking the video, and thank you for watching the entire thing. Hope you guys are liking it.